Exposing the secrets to gaining 1,000 YouTube subscribers in just 30 days. Ready to skyrocket your channel? First up, create killer content. Focus on quality and consistency. Post videos regularly so your audience knows when to tune in. Next, optimize your titles and thumbnails. Make them eye-catching and relevant to grab viewers' attention. Leverage the power of social media. Share your videos on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. More eyes mean more subscribers. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and build a community. People love feeling connected. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Find creators in your niche and make videos together. This way you can tap into each other's audiences. Don't forget to use tags and descriptions wisely. They help your videos show up in search results. Lastly, promote your channel everywhere. Mention it in your email signature, on your blog, or even in real life. Every little bit helps. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to 1,000 subscribers in no time. Good luck and happy creating.